You can set the following conditions for taking any credit course. When a student can take it, the cost, order of lessons, criteria for successful completion of the course, and certificate of completion. To configure the education options, go to the desired course in the Settings tab. Select the course completion time. Open-ended. Students can take the course at any time. Specific dates. Students can only take the course during the specified time period. Students will not be able to access the lessons and a test before and after these dates. Before the start of the course, students will only be able to see the description and structure of the lessons. If you selected the By Dates option, set the start and end dates of your course. Please note that it is not obligatory to set an end date for your course. You can only select a displayed course start date. During the time when the course is not available, students will be able to see the lesson is not available notification in their personal accounts. Select the condition for accessing the course based on the payment status. Free. The student has access to your courses for free. Paid. The student can take the course only after paying for it. This feature is only available on the paid pricing plan. If you selected the paid option, enter the cost of your course next to the payment method. This section shows all connected payment methods in the Account Settings, except Payments tab. You can change the payment currency in the Account Settings, General section in the Currency setting. Select the order of your lessons. Access to all lessons at once. A nonlinear order of the course. The student can access the lessons in any order. A new lesson becomes available after completing the previous lesson. A linear order of the course. The student can only access the lessons in the order you posted them and only after completing the lessons or taking the test from the previous section. Select the condition for successful completion of the course and obtaining a certificate. Complete all the lessons. The student has taken all the lessons and noted that they have completed them. Complete all the lessons and pass the test. The student has taken all the lessons, noted that they have completed them, and successfully passed all the tests with a passing score. Pass a test. The student successfully passed the test with a passing score. Completion of all lessons is not required. If you selected the Pass the Test option, enter a minimum passing score for all tests in the course. The number of points for each correct answer can be selected in the test settings. After completing the course, your student receives a certificate of successful completion of the course. In the certificate, you can add the name of the course, the instructors of the course, and the date it was received. Turn the toggle switch to the On position to activate the automatic issuance of a certificate after meeting the course requirements. Move the toggle switch to the Off position to stop issuing a certificate automatically. Choose which certificate to issue.